How to screen record in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and if you can't find your screen recorder here, then press and hold on empty space and then click on add a control. Now scroll down and here you can see the screen recording icon. Now click on it and then again click on empty space. Now here you can see screen recorder icon will be added my control center. Now simply click on screen recorder and it will start your screen recording. Now here you can see it will start my screen recording. If you want to stop your screen recording, then simply swipe down to your control center and here you can stop your screen recording. The another way to stop your screen recording is click on this red option and click on stop. Scroll down to your control center and press and hold on screen recording, and here you can see more settings. Here you can turn on or off mic. So this is the way to screen recording in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.